Hey Tech Fam, welcome back to this channel. Today on this episode of the Last Trend Gadget by Guide series, we'll be talking about something super relatable to all of us here in Nigeria, that is tech maintenance, specifically keeping our precious gadgets running smoothly. Let's get into it. Now, let's talk about our biggest enemy, unstable electricity. Power surges are a real threat to our gadgets. Here is a must-have: a good quality surge protector. Invest in one and trust me, you won't regret it. Also, unplug your devices during thunderstorm or when you know power fluctuations are common. And if you can, a UPS is a fantastic investment for your most sensitive electronics.
Another thing we need to look out for is dust and heat. Nigeria's climate can be harsh on gadgets, with high temperature and dust being major culprits behind every device failure. Here are a few ways to combat these issues. Keep devices in cool area. Use cooling pads. Regular dusting. Internet and software can also be a major challenge. The Nigerian internet landscape is improving, but still has connectivity issue, which can affect software updates and cloud storage. Here are a few ways to navigate this problem. Schedule update for off-peak hours. Internet speed can be slow during peak period. Schedule update late at night when networks are less congested. Use offline backups. Invest in quality antivirus software. Batteries can also be a major challenge. Battery issues are among the most common tech complaints in Nigeria, especially for smartphones and laptops. Here are a few things to do to extend your battery life. Always avoid overcharging your device. Always use original chargers. Always keep your batteries cool. Enable power saving mode if needed to prolong your battery life. Another major thing we should always look out for is the issue of security and data protection. Tech maintenance is not just about hardware, it's also about securing your data. Here are a few ways to combat this issue. Use strong password. Enable two-factor authentication. Regularly back up your data.
Next, this is crucial: original replacement parts. I definitely can't stress this enough. Using a fake or cheap part can cause more damage in the long run. Of course, they might be cheaper initially, but they can lead to frequent repairs, shorter lifespan, and even compromise your device security. Always insist on original parts, even if they cost a bit more. It's an investment in your device longevity. Finding a reliable repair technician. Let's be real, trusting your expensive phone or laptop to just anyone can be risky. So how do we find the right person? Ask for recommendation. Talk to friends, family, or even check online reviews. Look for certified technician or established repair center with good reputation. Don't be afraid to ask for their qualification and experience. Remember, a good technician is worth their weight in gold. Following these tips will definitely save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run. So that's it for today's tech tip. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, visit www.landshed.com to get all kinds of gadgets you would be needing to grow your small or large scale business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.